This video is about discussing some basic commands of Linux system in terminal. So the reference for this video is the lecture adopted from the website of Cisco Network Academy. They offer a free course about basic Linux commands. The name of the course is NDG Linux Unhatched. You can go to this Cisco Network Academy website and attend the course for free. They also give you certificate. Okay, the basic format of the command in Linux is you type the command mnemonics, the options which are optional. You may enter or may not enter arguments which are also options in some cases, while in other cases they are compulsory. Okay, so let's try how this works. The basic method or process is to enter the command. For example, I am changing the directory from root to exercises, and enter. So the directory is changed. Now let's start with the ls command. Ls command is simply listing the files of a directory. If I do ls, it will list all the folders and files in the current directory, which is root. My current directory is root, so it is listing all the files and folders in root directory. Okay, furthermore, it is pertinent to mention here that the Linux terminal is case sensitive. You cannot type ls, you will receive an error, or capital ls or small l capital S, all are errors. Okay, so you cannot just change the case of the command. Okay, now next, as we discussed earlier, that this is the basic format. You enter the command, the options and arguments. Let's try arguments. We put aside options for now. Let's discuss arguments. So for ls command, the arguments are the directory, subdirectory. This must be a directory. For example, I enter the ls exercises, so it will go to the exercises directory and print all the folders and files present in the exercises directory. Okay, if I type ls anything, name anything, for example folder, it will give you an error because this directory does not exist in the root directory, which is your current directory. So you can give as an argument only those directories which are present in the current directory. Okay, furthermore, we can try different options for ls command. For example, forget about the arguments for now. I type ls-l, it will list all the files and folders in the current directory. L stands for long display. Long display means it gives you more details, as much details as possible. The result is, you can see that total number of files are 24,445. okay. these are folders and files. Okay, the directory, which means folders, the directory starts with the letter D, all the directories D, and the file starts with just the traits or the characteristic of the file. For example, here dash or w x r. We will not go into the details for now. R means read, w means write, x means executable. Okay, if I type ls, s means short display, it will display all the things in short. Okay, these are total entries, total files, and these are the files present in the directory of fluxion, files present in this folder, this directory, present in this directory, etc. Okay. We can mix commands, for example ls l r, r means reverse. R means reverse. By default, the ls command print the entries in alphabetical orders, starting with A, going down to B, C, D, and finally to X, Y, Z. And if you place R, it will reverse the entries. Now we have used the options L and R, long display with reversing order. So you are getting the long display with reversing order, starting from Z, which is not present here, so definitely from V, and going straight up to the A. Okay, you can also write it like this, LR, same display. You can write LS RL, same output. Okay, you can mix with directory, for example ls lr exercises. So you get the entries for the directory exercises in long display and in reverse order, B, C, D up to U. Okay, so far we have discussed ls command. Now go to the other command, pwd. Pwd means printing working directory. It prints the current working directory. For example, if I type pwd, you get root. So your current directory is root. And finally, for now, the most helpful command which I like the most is clear command. It clears everything on the display. But let's go a bit above. So basically the clear commands simply enters the blank spaces available on the size of the window. If you reduce the size of this window and you enter different commands and then clear it, you see that you get this thing. Okay.